Smartphones kill. Smartphones killed the digital camera. They killed portable GPS devices. They killed Game Boy. And every time smartphones eliminate a dedicated electronic device, they cut costs and they grow markets. And now with technology from Cellepathy, they're going to do it again. The connected car is a $130 billion industry growing at more than 20% every year, and revolutionizing industries like car insurance, driver safety, fleet management, and more. And it's primarily based on hardware that must be installed in the vehicle to monitor the behavior and the movement and the location of the vehicle. This is a black box from Progressive Insurance, one of the biggest insurance companies in America, but Orange and AIG introduced a product like this last year in Israel, and there are many, many more around the world. It's called a black box, even though this one is silver. And it contains within it a GPS receiver, connection to the internet, motion sensors like an accelerometer and a gyroscope. And this is something that an insurance company, is now a hardware company, has to send to their policyholders who take it out of the box and reach underneath the car and plug it in order to enable revolutionary new insurance products and connected car services. And that obviously adds costs, and it slows down the business model, slows market penetration. And everybody knows that their smartphone has a GPS receiver on it, and obviously a connection to the internet. But most people are surprised to know that their smartphone, everyone in this room, already has motion sensors like an accelerometer and a gyroscope and a compass and a whole list of other sensors on it as well. And if you know how to access and interpret the signals from those sensors, you can replace connected car hardware with a smartphone. So why hasn't it happened yet? Because of something called the passenger problem. You see, my smartphone is always with me, and sometimes I'm driving a vehicle, but sometimes I'm the passenger of a vehicle. And if my smartphone isn't smart enough to know on its own which is which, then insurance companies can't use the phone to predict my risk of crashing, because the driving data that it collects is contaminated by all those times that I was in a vehicle and someone else was driving and I was the passenger. If my phone isn't smart enough to know when I'm the driver versus when I'm the passenger, then crash prevention technology, accident prevention technology, text blocking software from companies like AT&T and Samsung and many others can't protect me as a driver while also allowing passengers to use their phones freely. Cellepathy has solved the passenger problem, and we package this solution along with several other proprietary technologies into a platform of enabling technologies that can be used by others to power different connected car solutions. We sell the platform as software as a service, and we've actually gone out and built the first end-to-end product on that platform. It is the world's first and only pure software, enterprise-grade, distracted driving crash management solution. We sell it live to the Fortune 500. We sell it for $6 per device per month. So this is not an app, this is mobile software as a service, enterprise-grade software as a service. And now we've been approached by some of the largest tier 1 insurance service companies and the largest connected car companies in the world that are interested in using our platform and bringing more solutions, more connected car solutions to the marketplace without the need for dedicated hardware in the vehicle. We're an 18-person team. My partner and co-founder and CEO, Dan Abramson, and I are both New Yorkers, both educated at Princeton, both worked on Wall Street. The rest of our team are technologists from a variety of different fields, including machine learning, electrical engineering, algorithm design, and so forth. Cellepathy was founded in 2011, and in 2012, our first patent was granted by the USPTO. We now have 3 granted patents and 50 more pending patent applications. In 2013, we launched the beta of our end-to-end distracted driving solution to validate the technology. In 2014, we closed our first sale, validating the business model and becoming a revenue-generating company. And in 2015, we're working to scale by creating relationships with more larger companies that want to use our platform to deliver connected car services. And yeah, I welcome your questions. By the way, my name is Sean. I'm the marketing guy.